Tatlo lang yung tatlo. Tatlo sa kabila. Ito, talikod mo na. Mga sir, pole line. Puro na yung number. O, sige na, good na, good na. Thank you, thank you. The side of car, okay na. Number 7, isa. The ball game brought to you by the Meat Kitchen Gabriel's Organic at sa Philippine Airlines. Ball position of car. Rebound number 7. Kick out pass number 8. Brings on ladder. Number 5, Blue center. Nice defense. On the bounce, second ball. Down to 9 minutes and 48 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. Number 22, Lobos Mass. Takes and fires. Whistle sounded. One skipping away. Down to 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Ball position of Region 8, one-to-one defense. 9 minutes and 18 seconds. Check ball. Brings on run. Number 7. Whistle sounded. With the ball number 8. Ball position of Region 8. Down to 8 minutes and 40 seconds. The shot clock. Yes, yes. Basket is count plus the foul. Committed by number 29. Bonus shot possible for 3 points. 4.5 meter lane. Bonus shot number 27. Nugget, rebound ball number 5. Stalin, isolation number 11, Lisa. Yes, it is. Now the 8 minutes and 22. 20-21, Visual Sport, check the ball, out of bounds. Same ball. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Kick out, speed number 5. Bang! The shoot. Fires number 8. Bang! And 3 points. But the line is starting. Wait for the game. Anytime, anywhere. That's Philippine Airlines. Crosscard Mass. Number 27 for the boot back now. Rebound ball number 22. Look up the ball number 5. Brings up the ladder. Whistle sounded. Double rebound. Automatic traveling violation. Double rebound. Number 7. Isolation grab pass for the good back. Whistle socket. Basket scout plus the foul. Foul number 29. Basketball board 3 points evolution by number 21. Down to 7 minutes and 16 seconds, 7.16. Ball number 5 nicely, number 8 against number 11. On the Monday, number 11 again. Defensive foul on number 8. That is Diligan. Down to 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Samoras inbound. Number 7, lead pass to number 27. Kick out, Madamandi. Bates, isolation, right jumper. Too strong. Over the ball, number 5. Whistle sound. With the ball, foul number 27, pushing foul. First personal foul number 27. Whistle sounded, pushing foul called on foul. Number 7. Second personal foul, number 7, Samoras. Down to 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Inbound number 5, lead pass. Madamandi, isolation, speed. Bates. Recover the ball. 5 to shoot. Stolen. Blue ball. Exactly 6 minutes. Lead pass number 8 to number 7. Wide open. Fires down. Chip ball. Recover the ball. Bounce pass to number 7. Isolation. Grab pass. Nice pass. Ating Senyor ng Batang Pilipino. Basket to lead. Stolen number 11. Isolation. Ali Rashad now. Chikwa. Number 8 pass number 5. Tunisia attacking. Bates. Grab pass number 20 to lead man now. Time out earlier. Number 2. Down to 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Lead pass to number 8. Pass by number 8. Cross-court pass number 2. Fires. Leading out. Chikwa. Number 5. Swing. Whistle sounded. A blocking foul on foul number 7. Change spot. Change spot. 13 foul. Back to ball game, going to second quarter. Deadlock 24. 24.
Balls pala doon. Dito yung ano eh. Pag nag-balls.
13 foul.
Play, enjoy.
Number 19 to number 27. Isolation. Reverse out of bounds. Same ball, same ball. Now the 4 minutes and 51 seconds. 4 minutes and 51. Ball position card. Lead pass to number 22. Kick out pass to number 5. Fakes and fires. Now, check the ball. 5 to shoot. This is not a pushing foul number. That is number 27. Warning for penalty, warning. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 to shoot. One stick away. Dancing without music. Brings down ladder on the run, going to be got out of the key, has Sinali playing. Number 78 against number 5. 15 on the shot clock. Cross court pass. One jumper. Yes, it is. Now the 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Starland snaps in. Out of bounds, same one. 7. Number 7.
Number 7, number 7.
Number 7, harap.
Number 7, Oasis, hindi pa pwede niya pumasok.
Hindi pwede yun.
Hindi pa pwede.
Number 7. Labas ka, labas.
24 to 11, hindi pa pwede. Yeah.
Mga sir, ma'am, pakibigyan na lang yung ano gitna. Fires! Nerves! Pasok na kayo sir sa loob. Bigyan na tayo ng gitna. Number 19, isolation. Slicing. Yes, yes. Ball position, Rico na yung check the ball. Starland, number 19. Unisac fires down. Look out the ball. Big pass, number 3. Brings on leather. Slicing the middle. Heading right. Uses the second. Bring the ball number 22. Sabrak. Number 22, second personal foul. Penalty. So free throws in the first round. Nugget for the first round. Pag pumasok present, pag hindi pumasok absent. Second with the last round. Double again. Check the ball. Fakes, fires, narrow. Number 6. Time to shoot. You'll stand. Starland. Without the ball, number 27. Lead pass, number 19, side of bar. Exclamation, left-handed. Yes, yes. Nice play. Down to 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Natin sa inyo ng PPPL Nationals Elimination Finals Season 2. Fires, bang! And 3 points brought to you by Philippine Airlines. Yes, it does. Makes it for 2. Number 78 against number 19. Sweet. Brings out the ladder. Number 78 again. 14 to shot clock. 10 to shoot. Back. Stagan. He got 5 to shoot. Fires there. Out of bounds. Same ball. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. 11 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 11 to shoot.
Umapaburang bola. Saan lang oh.
Nice pass. Yes, it is. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Shoot the ball. The number 19 against number 78 brings down the line. Cross-court pass fades. 16 the shot clock. Stalling. Without the ball. Reverse shot. Whistle sound. The pushing ball called on ball number. That is penalty 27. Timer. The side of God brought to you by Philippine Airlines. Asa Gabriel Smith and Poultry. Back to the ball game, brought to you by Spotting. Wait for the game, anytime, anywhere. At sa Monte Cristo Meat and Food Company. For the first throw now. Sabay. Balls of break. Second to the last throw. Yes. 1 minute and 29 seconds. 1.29, 1 lead. Receive the ball, number 5. Against number 6, brings down the ladder. Number 5, isolation. Inside pass, number 27, for the good back there. Chip the ball. Baseball pass, Stalin. Number 17 to number 5. Pass to number 18, Locos pass to number 27, fires. Whistle the sound deck, we get a ball number. That is number 30. Penalty. Sabrak. Third personal foul, number 31. Second to the last stop. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yes. Brought to you by Batang Filipino Basketball League Season 2. Ball position and region name cross-court pass. Number 7-8 brings down 11. It's a dribbling to that the game against number 5. 16 of the shot clock. Number 1, Banners. Number 1, 3 points. Brought to you by Philippine Airlines. Number 5, 15 of the shot clock. Isolation, Vibes. Mr. Soundtrack, we get ball number 27.
Both teams penalty. 31 seconds left.
31 seconds. For the first round, second to the last round. Take the ball. 25 seconds. Alvarez. Late violation. Shot clock is up. 18 seconds. Stalin. Last ball. 10 seconds. This is something. We get ball number. That is number 1.
Penalty.
Pilgrim.
3.9 seconds. 3.9 seconds left.
.9 seconds. 3.9. Tingnan natin yung bawas ng first round. Tingnan natin yung first round. Second to the last round. 3.9 seconds. The score 38-30 in the favor of Region 8. For the second round. End of the second quarter.
Lamang kalaban.